Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Mohini here to give you some beauty tips and tricks. What I'm going to be showing you today is my famous and easy cut crease look, as you can see on my eyes today. So I will show you how to do this step by step. It's really easy, not too many steps, not too many products. And I use black and this gold, shimmery white gold, and this fun green on my waterline. So let's get started. So we're gonna start with the Essence Color Intensifying Primer. This is gonna help lock in the colors that I use. Okay. I just take my finger and blend it out a little. Take your finger and you blend it out like that. There you go. Then this is from Joseph Colors, called Sassy Sienna. I like this color because I like to shade with it. Just go up here. Use this orange color. Like that. Not too dark. Just so it looks like a sunset. It's my favorite color to use. I usually start all my eyeshadows like this. And then I like to do it under the eyes too. It gives it like a natural pop. I'm gonna do a black cut crease today because I love cut creases and they're really fun. They're kind of hard to do, but shouldn't be much of an issue. I'm gonna start my base with this golden color. I like to go over the base with concealer, so I'm using ColourPop shade medium 26 to do the base, so it's like a thicker coat. Like that. You could be taking more time to make it perfect. I like to do my stuff really quick because I feel like I don't want to spend 3 hours doing my makeup. I mean, if you want to, that's great, but I don't. I have other stuff to do. So you let it dry. And then make sure when you like let it dry and like your eyes are hitting, do you see this? It's like creasing. So let's let this stuff dry. And then I'm gonna take this golden color. I like to go over it. I like these like golden shimmer shine, like white powders. This is how I like to do my cut crease. It's just really quick. I feel like I don't have the patience to do like stuff for too long. So like I'm always on the go. So I don't want to take too long doing my makeup, but I promise you it's gonna come out looking on fleek. So I like to do the inner corners of my eyes. Go over there. I like to put like a little bit of glitter here, so I'm going to do a little bit of glitter to make it pop and look like really glamorous. I don't know if you could tell by my looks by now, but I'm like super glammed out. Okay. So, see, like this is uneven. There's a little bit more than there's here, so I'm just going to go ahead and put a little bit more of that primer to even it out right there. I'm going to let it dry before I put more shadow there. But what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to take Naked, like the really black color. It's called Crave. And what I'm going to do is I'm taking like an eyebrow brush. And I'm going to go, I'm going to like do the cut crease. I like to do it like that. You can use like a spoon to make the shape. A lot of people use a lot of different things to make the shape. But this is me. I'm gonna try to have like the same size here. I usually like to post all my looks on my Instagram, so if you want to check out my everyday looks, you can follow me at Bengali. I'm Bengali Barbie, Bengali_Barbie. So look, it's almost even. So you can fix it as you go. I don't want to make it too thick. There you go, the cut crease. This is like really quick. Okay. To be more blended in, I take like a little different blending brush and I do a little bit of the orange and then I do this. I try to blend it in. I mean, you don't have to blend it in. It's not as strong, but if you want, you could blend it. So it looks like more blended. Natural. There you go. Okay. Now what I'm gonna do is take my glitter palette and use this like golden glitter for the corners of my eyes. You can put it on like your whole eyelid if you like. Sometimes I do that. Like you can put it on your whole eyelid if you want to. I'm just gonna keep it really simple today and not go so crazy glam. Oh my god, I forgot to put some eyeshadow. So what I'm gonna do is do that golden look. It's not golden enough. There you go. And I'm gonna take that gold, put a little bit more here. Look how fun that looks. Next, what I like to be using, I like this color green right now because I'm wearing green and green is really in. I like to, if you're wearing green or any shade of green that you want to put in your eyeshadow but you don't really like green eyeshadow, you can just put like a tiny bit of it. This is a green palette I have from ColourPop. I'm using the color Act Natural. And what I like to do is I like to go with my waterline. Like that. I actually did this look for New Year's. Came out really cute. Right by my waterline. Fun. Like that. Just like that. You can make it as dark as you want it to. Just make sure they're even when you finish off the look. And you can use your blending, the orange brush, to like blend it in. Like that. Okay. Hi guys, so here is the final look. This is my easy, quick routine to do a fun cut crease with a fun color underneath. You don't have to do green, you can make it be any color that you're wearing, and it will be fun and matches without you wearing that heavy color on your eyelids, which I think is really fun to do because it's subtle but it still matches your outfit, and it's a quick, easy way to do the cut crease, my version. So here's the final look. Hopefully you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you like my looks, my tips and tricks in beauty hacks, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and you will find the items I used in the video in the description box below. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Have a good one. Bye.